In this video, we're going to be looking at simplifying surds. Now, before we start simplifying surds, it's important that you recognise and know your square numbers. They're across the bottom in the video to help you, but you must learn them. So simplifying root 8, we need a square number that goes into 8. So that would be root 4 multiplied by root 2, as 4 times 2 gives us 8. Now obviously root 4 is a square number, you can see from the bottom of the list. So what is the square root of 4? It's 2. So that means we've got 2 multiplied by root 2, and we write that as 2 root 2. Root 20, the square number that goes into that is root 4 multiplied by root 5. Now root 4 we know is 2, so we've got 2 multiplied by root 5, which we write as 2 root 5. Slightly larger numbers now, we're going for root 40. So that's going to be root 4 multiplied by root 10, which is 2 multiplied by root 10, which is 2 root 10. Root 90 would be root 9 multiplied by root 10. The square root of 9 is 3, so it's 3 multiplied by root 10, which is 3 root 10. Now here we've got a slightly bigger number in 150. So a square number that goes into 150. Root 25 multiplied by root 6, as 6 times 25 is 150. So that's 5 multiplied by root 6, which is 5 root 6. Now root 72 is going to be done slightly differently. There are two ways that we can do it. If you can find the largest square number, then you can use that. However, the one that most people would go for would be root 9 multiplied by root 8, as 9 times 8 is 72, and that's the method that most people know. So we're going to use root 9 and root 8 for now. That's 3 multiplied by. Now, root 8, going back to the first question that we had in our video, we know that root 8 can be simplified to root 4 multiplied by root 2. So that's 3 multiplied by, the square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by root 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so we know it's 6 root 2 as our final answer. Alternatively, we could have done root 36 multiplied by root 2. So that would have given us the 6 root 2 to begin with. You have to try and use the largest square number possible. If not, then you have to simplify all of the roots that you can. As a slight expansion on what we were doing, here we need to multiply two roots together first before we simplify it. So root 15 multiplied by root 3 would give us root 45. Then we need to simplify that. So that would be root 9 multiplied by root 5, which would be 3 root 5. We've got root 18 multiplied by root 5, which would give us root 90, which would give us root 9 multiplied by root 10, which would give us 3 root 10. And that's how you simplify surds.